Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use limits on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. If you feel like you are being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. Let's see how to use this feature. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the menu that appears from the bottom, select Settings. Now go to Privacy. Here you should find the new feature, Limits. If you don't see this update, wait for a few days, because Instagram is slowly rolling this update to every user. Now tap on it. Read the details to know more about this feature, and then tap Continue. Before turning this feature on, you can change some settings according to your need. You can disable or enable the settings on limiting the accounts that aren't following you. You can also disable or enable the settings on limiting your recent followers. You can set the time period, how long you want to limit them. Tap on Limit for. You can select days or weeks. If you don't want to set time limit now, you can set a reminder to do this later. When you are done with all the changes, tap Turn On. And the limits has been turned on. So these are all the things you need to know about using limits on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.